Hi, this is Susan Davis with Diamond D Graphics. Thanks for checking out this video. Today we're going to talk about WordPress themes. This is an introduction to themes, just to describe what they are. As I've mentioned before, I use WordPress software to build my clients' websites. And then once I have the sites built, it allows me to turn over to them the login through the dashboard using just a browser software, which I'm using Chrome today, and they can come in here and make changes themselves. Where back in the day, before content management software came around, my client would have to have the same software I had, buy it, download it on their computer, and in order to make changes. So now with the content management software like WordPress, all you have to have is the browser software, which every computer has that, so it makes it much easier for my clients to come in and make changes if they so choose to do by themselves. So themes, WordPress themes. When you come to a website like mine here, you say, well, how am I going to get my website to look like this? With this sliding banner up here and this nice background, and I like the way this is all laid out and looks. I've got a column over here, right-hand column, with the majority of my information over here. Yeah, I like that. Now, how am I going to get my website to look like that? Well, when you first download WordPress software and set it up to build a website, it comes with default themes, the look of the website. And you'll find that under this menu over here called Appearance and Themes. So I'm going to click on that. And I apologize, my internet connection is slow today. Let's see if we can get it to speed up. So when you go to Appearance and Themes, then you come to the Theme section. And right here is all the themes that you have available to you to use for the look of your website. And again, when you first start with a WordPress website, you're going to have one of these default themes show up as your website. So like for instance, 2015 would be what came with the software. And if I did a live preview right here, if I click on that, here is how my website would look with that 2015 theme that comes with the software. This is how it would look. And over here I can make some changes, but okay. Yeah, that's, I don't like this setup. I've got my left-hand column over here, and then my pages over here, and it's not too exciting. So I don't know, and I think I want something different. So the default themes that come with WordPress 2015, 2014, 2013 are free. And there's lots of free themes that you can download and use for your website. And there's also ones that you can pay for that are more on the pro end. They have more functions, and the stability probably is going to be better because you're paying for the software instead of a free theme. I have used free themes that work really well. They do. But I also usually use ones that I purchase. So if I wanted to find a new theme, didn't like any of these, right here I could add a new theme. So if I click on that, it's going to bring up all these themes. And you'll see this bar right here. There's featured themes, popular themes, the latest ones that have been developed, and then there's a search filter. So right now it comes up on the featured ones. So here's all these different themes I could choose from. And, I don't like any of those, so I'm going to go to popular. That would be a good one because popular, that's what everybody's using. So let's say I like this one right here. It's got some cool little features there. I like it. So if I hover over this one, I can do a preview. Now this shows me what a website would look like using this theme. It's called responsive. There's a few things I'm going to look at when I'm looking at themes. I'm going to look at this rating right here. Do they have a good high rating? The company that developed this theme. What's their rating like? And how many ratings were there? 286 on this one. The company is Cyberchimps. Well, what do I know about Cyberchimps? I mean, have they been around a while? Is there going to be any support system for this? You know, I don't want to build a website and then there's no support behind it, or they don't update it. So these things are important to know. And I happen to know that Cyberchimps is one of my favorite third-party development companies that I use for themes. I've bought in their themes. I've used their free ones. They're a good company. So the other thing is I'm going to look here. What does this theme offer? It's responsive. That's important to me. What does that mean? It means it's going to change on any device I look at this website, my website, any device, it's going to change to fit the screen resolution. So it's going to look the same on every device. That's important. So I read down through here. It's got 9 templates, page templates I could choose from. It's got 11 widget areas. It's got 6 template layouts. It's got 4 menu positions. Wow, it comes with a lot of stuff. And all this other stuff. So, hey, I like that. And I like the fact that it has almost 5 stars, and it's by this company that, I know that it's a good one. So let's say I wanted to install that. I'm going to click on the install button. And then you'll see this come up, downloading install package. It's installing the theme. It's successfully installed the theme. So I have 3 options. I can live preview this theme, see what my website would look like using this theme. I can activate the theme, meaning I would replace the one I already have running and activate this new one. Or I can return to the theme installer screen back here to where we added that theme. So let's go back over to themes. Let's click on themes. Okay, I'm on the themes page. Here's all the themes I have available to me that I have downloaded. Here's the new one that we just downloaded. Well, I don't want to mess this up. I've already got this nice theme running, and what if I don't like the new theme? The nice thing about WordPress is I can come over here to this theme and live preview it. I don't want to activate it yet because that would get rid of my one that I have running right now, but I could live preview it. So here's how my website would look like using the responsive theme. Here's my menu system. Here's the About Me page. That's what that would look like if I use this theme. Contact me. Logos. Doesn't want to load that. Let's try galleries. Oh, probably because, okay, there it goes to galleries. Okay, so that's how it would look versus this is what I got running on the live site. So I could either save and activate it or get out of here. I'm going to get out because I don't want to mess up what I got going, but that's how you would add a free theme. The other thing you need to think about when you're adding a theme is, if I go back here to this responsive theme and click on the details, it's going to tell me again about it. It's going to tell me the company. So I can click on here and go check out the company. And let me say this again. This is only going to show, this window is only going to show up if I've already downloaded the theme. If I go over here to add new, and click on one of these themes, you know, if I'm interested in it, I'm not going to get the same information. I'm not going to get a link to the company. I have to download the theme first. So back over to Appearance and Themes. These are the ones I've downloaded. Again, here's responsive. I don't know if I want to use it. So let's just look at the details one more time. That's how it's going to look. Here's the name of it. It's by Cyberchimps, so I can click there and go over to their company and see how long they've been around. Here's the description of all the things that come with it. And I need to know, I'm looking here, if it's compatible with my version of WordPress. I'm not seeing where it says that on this particular theme. Let's look at this one. I don't see it there either. Okay, we'll continue on. Well, anyway, back to go to the dashboard, and at the dashboard, you will see this box called At a Glance. It tells you what version of WordPress you're running. I'm running 4.1.10, and I'm using the preferential child theme. So if you were going to download a new theme, you'd want to make sure it was compatible with your version of WordPress. That'd be another thing to check. I'm just not finding that over here at the moment. And I'm going to list down in the description box below a few of the companies I use for themes. I continually go back to these companies and purchase their WordPress themes. So I'll do that so you know I've already done the work of researching theme companies, which ones have been around a long time, which ones offer support and they update their software regularly, and they have high ratings. Okay, so themes give me the option of what kind of layout my page is going to have, as far as, am I going to have, this is 2 columns, this is a 2-column page, or maybe I want 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, or maybe I want little boxes down the page. There's so many different options on theme layouts. Maybe I want this header up here with a nice image, and maybe I don't. Maybe I want it to just not have all this up here and have the page start way up here. And the colors. Maybe I want, well, no matter what color I want it to be. A lot of the themes that you download, the free ones even, will you can change the colors of the background, the the menu system. And then the other thing is, well, if you go over here to themes and if you do an add new, themes are built for different types of businesses. So you're already ahead of the curve. If you are a magazine, let's say, or you're a photographer and you want to showcase your photography, or you're a newspaper, or you're a musician and you want to be able to offer videos and downloads of songs, all whatever business you might be in, there's a theme for it. And you go down through here, you look at these themes. I'll go to the popular one and scroll down. And if I can find one that I like, cool, that matches my business, what I do, then I'd probably try one of those. Then if I wanted to purchase one that I really liked, here's that one that we downloaded, Responsive by Cyberchimps, which is a company that I've used over the years. Let's say I really like this one, and I click on it, and it's by Cyberchimps. So if I click on Cyberchimps, that takes me over to their website, and here I can check out how long they've been around, do a little research on them, look at their pro ones. Here's ones for sale. I can purchase one. I can get support from them. So that would be the way I would check out the different theme companies that I might want to use. Okay, that's it for today. I just wanted to give you a short description on themes. I know it's very overwhelming, but my main focus with this video was to show you that you can change the colors, the style, the layout, and you do that with themes. Thanks for watching. Bye.